Hi there, I'm Dr. Claire, and today I'll be answering some of your questions from Twitter. First one. Hey doctors out there, why do you give us pictures of our colon after a colonoscopy? It seems like a weird flex is all. Hashtag ask a doctor. The answer to that is, we need for you to have it as a record. When you have your next one, we'll have a good reference point for comparison. Can the womb be replaced once removed? Hashtag ask a gynae. With modern advancements in medicine, we're now able to do a uterine transplant. This is especially for those women who've had a hysterectomy or who were born with a uterine abnormality. Once you're done having children, we'll come back in and take the uterus out. That way you don't have to be on immunosuppressants for the rest of your life. Next one. Does anyone else have severe acid reflux or GERD? I do, and I've been having an issue with throwing up when I first wake up in the morning. Then I just have bad nausea the rest of the day. Is this a common issue? Hashtag ask a doctor, hashtag medical advice. I would strongly advise that you go in and see your physician because these are very severe symptoms. You will require medication and sometimes further intervention as well. At my first gynae, is it all right to try and lose weight while pregnant? It may actually be very dangerous to try and lose weight on your own while pregnant, and this is because of the possible detrimental effect to your growing fetus. For those who are a bit overweight or obese in pregnancy, your doctor will be able to guide you under the supervision of a nutritionist on how not to gain too much more weight. For some people, even reduce a little bit, but this should never be done on your own. Ladies, help! My breasts are tender and sore. I went to see the doctor and was told it's side effects of my contraceptive. I've never experienced this before. It's hell. Help. Hashtag girls talk. This is a common side effect of lots of hormonal contraceptives. Usually it reduces over time. It may be worse in the first 2 weeks to 1 month, but after you've been on your hormonal contraceptive for a while, you'll notice a significant improvement in symptoms. If the symptoms persist, please go back into your physician for a change in your contraception. Do viruses tend to gain strength as they change or mutate, or do they weaken? Hashtag ask a nurse, hashtag ask a doctor. That's a very interesting question, and to be honest, it can go one way or the other. Viruses tend to mutate in order to survive, not to worsen the infection that you get. So if a virus mutates because of a challenge by your immune system, it may actually render itself less dangerous and therefore easier to treat and overcome. However, it can also become a more dangerous version of itself, making that new variant harder to treat and easier to spread. Let's do one more. Hashtag ask a doctor. I just ripped a fart that lasted about 20 seconds. Am I going to die? And it wasn't a little one either. It was probably around 90 decibels. In my opinion, better out than in. And no, you're not gonna die. All I would advise is to stay away from public spaces. Well, that was fun. Remember to like, comment, share, and follow Tibu Health Africa.